Good morning and happy Cinco de Mayo. Hopefully you had a nice weekend and you were able to get outside and enjoy the nice weather a little bit. Before I start talking about math, I do want to acknowledge or let you know that my heart is heavy for you. Some of the things that were announced on Friday were tough in terms of prom, graduation. Those things aren't going the way anybody would like them to, and that's hard. And I know those are important things, and so I do feel for everyone affected, and so I want you to know that. In terms of this week, it's a pretty normal week. We're going to start a new chapter. It'll go like we've been doing. Today, you'll see the stuff for chapter 9. We're going to do 9.1 this week, and it will end with an assessment that you will get on Friday. It will be due Sunday night at midnight. I'm going to tell you that every day so that those of you that stay caught up can do this on Friday and not have to have things to do over the weekend. For those that choose to do it over the weekend, that's okay too, but just you can know and choose. We'll have Zoom meetings at 9:30 tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday also at 9:30 to get your questions answered. So just so you're aware of that. When you go to chapter 9, it's pretty much the same, but I want to show you a couple things that are different. As far as resources, I did link the Google Slides here for PowerPoints. They didn't translate perfectly to Google Slides, but they're there and you can follow along if you choose to. In terms of 9.1, here's what we have. Mr. G's videos, of course, are there. And as far as his first one, he presented some things differently than I would have. So this is not his visual video, but mine. It's the same information more or less, but presented a little bit differently. So do what you will with that. It's there. They're both there. There's also Khan Academy videos. You can use those as much as or as little as you'd like to. There are assignments here broken down, but parts of the week if you choose to do them in that way, or you can do them all at once. I don't care. As always, use the resources you have. In other words, the solutions that I've posted. Do as many of these as you need to in order to feel confident with the material. Material, spelled wrong there. I'll fix that right now. Do as much as you need to. I don't know what that means for you, but you do. And so, but be honest with yourself. Don't fool yourself. You know. So there's that. If you are behind on some stuff, please do your best to get those things caught up. If you need help from me and some guidance or whatever, let me know. But those missing assessments particularly are really dragging some people down. So let me know what you need there. In terms of Khan Academy, a couple people have said that they like Khan Academy, and it's awesome. Some people hate it, some people love it. That's fine. These are the videos that go along with these things, and you can see them. But some people have shared that they like to be able to practice on Khan Academy. If you go to Khan Academy, this is what it looks like on my learner home. I haven't given any new assignments for this course for quite a while, so there won't be anything that's meaningful there because I don't want to have assignments that are clogging up your thing. But if you go to courses, and if you just pick AP Statistics, you can do that, and it will take you into each of the topics. And so, for example, you can scroll down: probability, random variables, sampling distributions, confidence intervals, significance tests. And if you want to, you can click on that, and this is you saying, hey, Khan Academy, I want to learn about some of this stuff. Can you let me know what's going on? And if you go through, here are what the assignments are: writing null and alternative hypothesis, estimating p-values, type 1, type 2 errors. Now, those things don't make any sense to you yet, but if you want to, you can always go to those, even though I haven't assigned them. So that is an option for those people that like it. For those that don't, that's okay. You certainly don't have to, but it is another option, even though they're not assigned. You can assign that to yourself if you want to. I think that's about it for today, other than to leave you with this deep thought by Jack Handey. Don't ever get your speedometer confused with your clock, like I did once, because the faster you go, the later you think you are. Thanks for today, and wear your seatbelts.